Morning students. Today topic is Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem means what type of function we are considering for satisfying this Rolle's theorem means we should take real value function. Real value function means the function codomain always is the real number. The function codomain always be the real number. So now we are considering one function, that means we are taking one function that is a real valued function. Real valued function. The real valued function b continuous on closed interval of a comma b. This is important, guys. Closed interval of a comma b means including a and b in this interval, and differentiable on open interval of a comma b. Differentiable on open interval of a comma b such that f of a is equal to f of b. Such that f of a is equal to f of b, where a and b are some real numbers. A and b are some real numbers. Then there exists some c. Some c means some value. There exists some value in open interval of a comma b. That means if you are calculating something, you will get some value. The value it is lie in between a comma b. That's why in between means open interval of m, such that f dash of c is equal to 0. When do you get that value? If you calculated f dash of c is equal to 0, then you will get the one value c. That is I given some. Some means you can consider at least also. At least means already you know the guys. What is that? At least means greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So finally, the definition of Rolle's theorem means let f maps closed interval of a comma b tends to R, that means real valued function, b continuous on closed interval of a comma b, differentiable on open interval of a comma b such that f of a is equal to f of b, where a and b are some real numbers. Then there exist at least or some c in closed interval of a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to 0. So instead of this word, guys, you can use this one or some also, which is a habit to you. Okay, next, mean value theorem. Mean value theorem means f maps a comma b tends to R, b continuous on closed interval of a comma b, differentiable on open interval of a comma b, where a and b are some real numbers. Then there exists some c in a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. F dash of c means equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. These two are the definition. In 1 marks sometimes he is giving. First, note down this definition, guys. First note down. Actually these two are available in your textbook. You can copy from there also. The definition you can copy from your textbook also. Okay, guys, now I am going to explain example about verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2, a equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. How you have to simplify this problem in stepwise. Solution. The first is f is continuous on closed interval of a comma b. Second one, f is differentiable on open interval of a comma b. F is differentiable on open interval of a comma b. Third step, calculate f of a value and calculate f of b value. Actually, here in this problem generally directly you have to take the consideration. Here instead of this you can write minus 2 comma 2 and this is minus 2 comma 2. But while writing in classwork, don't write this part, guys. For understanding sake, I written first. F is continuous on closed interval of a comma b means he given differ separately. That's why just make like this interval minus 2 comma 2. So while writing in classwork, you should write f is continuous on closed interval of minus 2 comma 2. F is differentiable on open interval of minus 2 comma 2. F of a means take the value f of minus 2 value and f of 2 value. Even in practicing session only just note like this, but while copying into classwork, no need to write these two elements directly, f of minus 2, f of 2. So calculate f of minus 2. F of minus 2 means our given function is here given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. Given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 2. It is 4 plus 4, 8. And this is 2 whole square plus 2. This is 4 plus 4, 8. What happened, guys? F of minus 2 is equal to f of 2. F of minus 2 is equal to f of 2 means f of a is equal to f of b. So here you just write the one sentence, that is, thus Rolle's theorem satisfies all conditions. Thus Rolle's theorem satisfies all conditions. Then there exist at least C belongs to open interval of minus 2 comma 2. Then there exists at least C belongs to minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0. See, guys, just I am writing f is continuous on closed interval of minus 2 comma 2. F is differentiable on open interval of minus 2 comma 2. Calculating f of a and f of b. Already both values are equal. Both values are equal means what we are writing? Thus Rolle's theorem satisfies the all conditions. Then there exists at least C belongs to minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0 means where is f dash of x? Actually given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. Given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. What about f dash of x? F dash of x means derivative of x square plus 2 means it is 2x. It is 2x. Now, instead of x, just substitute that c. So what you get means 2c is equal to 0. 2c is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0 means definitely this value is lie between minus 2 comma 2. This value is lie between minus 2 comma 2. That means belongs to minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. Hence Rolle's theorem is applicable. Rolle's theorem is applicable or verified means hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. So again once observe it, guys. So what we did, he is asking the question. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2, a equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. By understanding the definition of Rolle's theorem, we have to continue the steps like this. First write the given f of x is equal to x square plus 2. F is continuous on closed interval of minus 2 comma 2. F is differentiable on open interval of minus 2 comma 2. F of minus 2 you have to calculate. F of 2 you have to calculate. And finally by observing these two values, f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2. So what happened here? Here Rolle's theorem satisfies the condition. What condition? All condition. Whatever the conditions are mentioned in a definition. So this Rolle's theorem satisfies the condition. Then at the time, then there exists at least c belongs to minus 2 comma 2. At least in the sense 1 or more than that values. So at least minus 2 comma 2 means such that f dash of c is equal to 0. F dash of c is equal to 0. So f dash of c is equal to 0 means actually given function f of x is equal to x square plus 2. F dash of x is equal to, that means first derivative of the function is 2x. So here you should apply, here asking c now, that's why you should take 2c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0. 0 is the value, it is lie between minus 2 to 2. So finally, hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Rolle's theorem is verified. Like that we have to calculate. Next problem. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square in the interval closed interval of 2 comma 4. Solution. Given f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x square on x belongs to closed interval of 2 comma 4. Given f of x equal to x square where x belongs to closed interval of 2 comma 4. What do you write, guys? First step f is continuous on closed interval of 2 comma 4. Second one, f is differentiable on open interval of 2 comma 4. Third step, calculate f of 2. F of 2 means 2 square 4. F of 4 square 16. Here directly you should write the word thus mean value theorem satisfies the all conditions. Thus mean value theorem satisfies the all conditions. Then there exist at least C belongs to open interval of 4 comma 2 comma 4 such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. F of dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of upon B minus A. Here what he given to us, f of x is equal to x square, given, that is given f of x is equal to x square, f dash of x is equal to 2x, f dash of x equal to 2x. Then write it, 2c is equal to f of b value is 16, that means f of b value is 16, that means right here f of 4 minus f of 2 by 4 minus 2, the step f of 4 minus f of 2 by 4 minus 2. 2c is equal to f of 4 value 16, f of 2 value 4 by 2. That implies 2c is equal to 12 by 2, 2c is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3, that means definitely it is a lie between 2 and 4. So 3 belongs to 2 comma 4. Hence mean value theorem is verified. Mean value theorem is verified. See guys, how I solved this problem? Very easy to students. Only first 3 steps somewhat common only. What we are writing first, given problem, and afterward f is continuous on closed interval of 2 comma 4, f is differentiable on closed interval of 2 comma open interval of 2 comma 4, and calculating f of a, f of b. Rolle's theorem means we are showing f of a is equal to f of b, but mean value theorem means don't show it, just calculate f of a and f of b value. And what we are writing the word, thus mean value theorem satisfies the all conditions, then there exists at least c belongs to open interval of 2 comma 4 such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus, that means 2c is equal to f of 4 minus f of 2 by 4 minus 2. How? Because given f of x is equal to x square, first derivative of the function f of f dash of x is equal to 2x. Like that we calculated. This is mean value theorem is, so slowly you have to calculate. Finally, hence mean value theorem is verified. This is the, so 2 definitions and 2 examples. By using this condition guys, we are going to solve the exercise problems. We are solving the exercise problems. So this is exercise 5.8. First problem, verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. X belongs to closed interval of minus 4 comma 2. After understanding these examples, we are just giving the, and guys remember it, this is somewhat important to 3 marks questions. 3 marks, not important, this is a somewhat compulsion problem, 3 marks. So while writing solution, very clear about this answer, Nana. First write everyone, given f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, x belongs to closed interval of minus 4 comma 2. First step, f is continuous on closed interval of minus 4 comma 2. F is continuous closed interval of, f is differentiable on open interval of minus 4 comma 2. third one, f of minus 4. F of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. It is 16 minus 8 minus 8. By simplifying this, you will get 0. Next, f of 2. 2 square, 2 into 2 minus 8. 4 plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. F of minus 4 is equal to f of 2. F of minus 4 is equal to f of 2. Thus, Rolle's theorem satisfies all conditions. Satisfies the all conditions. Then there exist at least C belongs to open interval of minus 4 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C is equal to 0 means really given f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Now that implies 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is lie between minus open interval of minus 4 comma 2. C is equal to minus 1 is belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Hence, Rolle's theorem. Verified. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Like that, you have to write answer. Clear, guys? Second one. Next one, guys. Second one. Examine. Examine means verified. That means check it. If Rolle's theorem is applicable to any of the following function or not. Examine means we have to check it whether it is applicable or not. In previous problem directly we are writing it is satisfying the condition. Rolle's theorem like that. So what you do means here directly we cannot write whether it is continuous or not. So in this concept, examine means in this concept what you do means first you have to calculate f of 5. F of 5 means step 5. Step 5 means which gives 5 only, because this is the greatest integer function, guys. Greatest integer function means the greatest integer function which gives the value less than or equal to x. Which gives value less than or equal to x. Actually here 5. That means which give less than or equal to means 5 means integer. So it is equal. Equal means directly we are getting the 5 here. In the same manner, f of 9. F of 9 means step 9. Step 9 means 9. Okay. Now Rolle's theorem means what condition we have to satisfy? F of A is equal to f of B. But here f of 5 is not equal to f of 9. F of 5 is not equal to f of 9. So therefore, hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Rolle's theorem is not applicable. So guys, examine means first calculate this part f of A and f of b. If both are equal means then only Rolle's theorem is applicable. Then you can write the continuous or differentiable. But he is asking examine means first calculate these two. These two are not equal. That means f of 5 value and f of 9 value both are not equal. That's why Rolle's theorem is not applicable. In that second one, given f of x is equal to step x for x belongs to closed interval of minus 2 comma 2. Here also check it. F of minus 2, that means step of minus 2. So whatever it is minus 2, it is an integer only. Minus 2 is the integer. So we will get the answer also minus 2. F of 2, step 2, it is integer. And here f of minus 2 is not equal to f of 2. Hence Rolle's theorem. Hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Next, third one, guys. Given f of x is equal to x square minus 1 for x is belongs to closed interval of 1 comma 2. Guys, here only you can write one word. F is a polynomial function. Correct or wrong? F of x is equal to x square minus 1. It is a quadratic expression. So quadratic function means definitely it is a polynomial function. Already we learned in a continuity concept and the limits concept of continuity concept. Every polynomial function is a continuous on capital R, real numbers. Every polynomial function is a continuous on real numbers. So it is continuous on every real number. So this is, we know the condition. What is that? F is a polynomial function and it is a continuous on every real number. That's why we are continuing the steps. F is continuous on closed interval of 1 comma 2. F is differentiable on open interval of 1 comma 2. F of 1, 1 square minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. F of 2, F of 2. F of 2 means 2 square minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. But f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Hence, Rolle's theorem is not applicable. See guys, is given f of x is equal to x square minus 1 and interval is 1 comma 2. Directly you can calculate f of a and f of b here only. So somewhat why I am giving means, by observing the function x square minus 1 is a polynomial function. Already we are in which topic? Continuity and differentiability. By knowing this topic, what you write? F is a polynomial function, so it is a continuous on every real number. Okay, fine it is. But we calculated. So it doesn't satisfy the Rolle's theorem condition. It is continuous only. And even about the greatest integer function. About this fellow. This fellow means in continuous concept, greatest integer function, it is not continuous on, or it is not continuous at integral points. Integral points means integer points. But where it is continuous, this greatest integer function is continuous at non-integral points. So that's why we are not giving any clearance about that, what we are calculate f of a and f of b. Here why I just given two steps means for understanding sake only. For understanding, same method you can apply for here also, f of a and f of b. If satisfies me, then only you can continue the steps. But for a simple understanding purpose, what I am giving means f of x is equal to x square minus 1. Yes, it is look like a polynomial function. Every polynomial function is a continuous and a differentiable also. And we are calling f of a and f of b. Suddenly f of a is not equal to f of b means this answer, this solution, it is not satisfy the Rolle's theorem conditions. So that's why hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Guys, remaining still 4 problems are there. In next video I will continue it. Why? Because don't be feel burden. Take the definition and today I given 2 problems to you. Solve these 2 problems. But everyone complete these 4 problems because 3 marks. Once if you have any previous papers with you, just open it, check in 3 marks. One time he is asking the Rolle's theorem, one time he is asking the mean variance. Most of the time he is asking these 2 methods, and rare cases he is asking the different. I said na applying logarithmic problem, those such type of models he is asking in public examination. So what I am going to say to you guys, 5.7 and 5.8 if you are so perfect means 100% you will get, you just completed 8 marks syllabus in public examination. Keep in mind and work on this. Tomorrow I will complete this differentiability topic. Okay guys, thank you.